Hi, I am Mohammad Azhar working as mechanical engineer in Saudi Arabia. I am formerly student for Narayana MEP. I, I had taken a course for MEP designer through Narayana MEP through Mr. Rakesh. Before I reached him, I had searched many institutions and talked with them, but I didn't certified because they are teaching as per own market required. But I talked to Mr. Rakesh and and he fulfilled my required as he is a working professional and teach the course as per the current market required and guide me a lot. Thanks, Mr. Rakesh.